our customers don't necessarily live in a town, and they live in the remote valleys and canyons and hillsides all over this area. They need the same quality of service, and they have that expectation to receive it.
We started with Huawei 4 or 5 years ago because we needed to go to 3G, HSPA, and LTE. And our vendor at the time wasn't supporting us the way we felt we needed to be supported. So we originally went multi-vendor and kind of put out there the offer to both of them. Whoever takes care of us the best gets the bulk of our business. Huawei won hands down. They treated Union the way we feel our customers need to be treated.
They met our expectations, they met their deadlines, and I didn't end up with extra bills associated with it. Their product meets the design requirements, it meets the expectations that I need in my network, and they've been very good about hitting those key milestones during the integration. The major part of my network that Huawei has filled is for my switch and also for my cellular base stations.
Mainly the specific technology that Huawei brought to us that we didn't have previously was LTE. Through the LTE deployments, we've also increased how we do our UMTS deployments, and through those different deployments, it gives us the option to have main remote systems, meaning that it gives us much greater flexibility for how and where we can install this technology.
What Huawei's allowed us to do is to move between generations much faster and much more seamless.
Because of Huawei's approach with it being an open platform, we were able to look at how to optimize this network in an open fashion, meaning that we weren't restricted in the things we could do.
It was much easier than the previous vendors to add multiple technologies into the same base station, where before I was either having to put another base station next to it or buy extra radios, where here it was a matter of adding cards or just configuring the cards that we'd already purchased.
They're really about getting their customers up and running, which means our customers up and running. That's how we like to do business.
The biggest challenge we have to installing equipment is getting to the site. These are not paved roads to most sites. Some of them are nothing more than a 2-track up a mountainside.
Rarely do you have fiber connectivity. It's microwave, it's off the beaten track.
It's the remote nature of dealing in the Rocky Mountains and building a network inside of those valleys and hilltops and across the area.
For our core installs, they had people on the ground here, and they basically worked with us through everything when we were installing our first sites.
And they were very good about teaching our technicians how to integrate with the equipment and to have that network go seamlessly for our customers. And actually, the vast majority of the cuts had no outage time to our customers at all.
They want to make sure that we're successful in dealing with what we need to deal with day to day.
The way that Huawei has helped us be able to remain competitive in this marketplace with the Tier 1 providers such as AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile is they've allowed me to have the multiple technologies at an affordable price. So it cost me less man-hours, less time, and I was able to get it to market a lot sooner.
Huawei's been great with customer service with us. It allows us not to have to focus on our vendor relations as much and allows us to be able to focus on our customers.